Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Apple ID could not create account problem. To do this, first check your internet connection. And then go to your phone setting. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Set to automatically. After doing that, tap on Apple account and tap on Don't have an Apple account. Use a different email and try to create your account. Make sure you are not creating too many accounts. Apple allows only a limited number of new Apple IDs per device and per network. If you already created 2 or 3 accounts recently, wait 24 hours or try a different device. Thank you.